Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edo Tafia Amibo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
So, I'm not after that name. You understand? He said it when because my bego we give us. Owane na pe makuwebo. Na nebo ho ko gotie bona. When I we ask we sufu una oza una ya bam. Una yo boss sudu was we sufu me your paro no here. No here is separate to when your paro no here says on wa. Or may not really here you are going to carry her to the end, follow her to the end. Oh, very only way so we get the way in that's why we hang where do like when your boy but we to ya lele. Picture Danny yes again muje gweni. Kaka boy when you talk. Me when the time we kaka boy am picture ni wa stamp e ye gwe gangan. Stamp e ye we o. Wa mo ye we. Oh, here dey for ya dey super glue ya wedding we ma ho. When ni tana. Ya dey super glue ya we. Because of mo egbe. Wa mo mi joro me ma egbe we asa tin me joro dojo to. Ah, o we gi kana ni awe mi na ma kan we eri e ba enu this and that e ba we joro eri e ba enu we. So if you not say so no we not say no na e backslide, so you have to come and explain where we not see e. If you not see no na te mwanya ho na hi. If you not be say no na we do see e mu do to na we na him. So that are the ebo I take care of. That here take care. You have to carry on. Because a board and any attend Jorebe or Ted Donny, no be no judge me well at the new way guy. Who said this year with the eggbebo?
Yes, so my people, now well done and welcome back to Edo Tafia Amibo YouTube channel. How not day? We hope everything do okay, everybody do okay. Now, so make we give thanks and praise to God Almighty. Yes, now so it just be on today's presentation. So with the feature Yomo come out now. She can't really talk to Osaweniga Zowegi. Actually, she can't really disgwagwa Osaweniga Zowegi. Everybody know the story of Osaweniga Zowegi and Yuri. You get me? Everybody know that one already. And everybody don't still know. So Osaweniga Zowegi and Yuri, they don't date again. They don't date together again, you know. Many say Osaweniga Zowegi don't date salt and water ministry anymore. You get me? So and then what you candidate say like everybody know. There's nobody will say no. Yuri will not know Osaweniga Zowegi because everybody knows say now Osaweniga Zowegi now they chest everything before. Now she they chest everything. I mean people will not understand that slang. They say any problem where they come or whatsoever now Osaweniga Zowegi now they push for front. In fact she go put herself for front. Then anything at all where they come towards Yuri or maybe where they come at Yuri. Now so it just be. But somehow, we not fit go in details because this analysis no fit just. The time go too much. If we just say me break everything down, you get me. So somehow, yeah. Osaweniga Zowegi and Yuri can't get small problem or whatever. Then Osaweniga Zowegi can't say something. A lot of things happen before that time. But however, make we just start and here say she can't say something. After a day or two, they can't say make she can't apologize because she say something against the Salt and Water Ministry. So, but before she said that something, now the Salt and Water Ministry, in fact, now they put her business out there. Meaning say they can't open her secret and things like that. But there's something concerned man and I be waiting there. So, however, she can't talk to other people as well. We see the staff and members of Salt and Water Ministry. Not be Yuri herself, but however, she they use subliminally. Somehow, come like say she they talk to Yuri small, or she they involve Yuri, but she really talk directly to other people. We don't like put their name here because this video no concerned. But however, those are prominent members or staff with this Salt and Water Ministry. Now that one just did it. But however, like from that day onward, after she don't apologize, things not gonna look so well like before with her and the Salt and Water Ministry members and things like that. You know what I mean? So small before we know she don't come there, she can't make the last one thing we say she makes say she can't make so many statements. You know, you understand what I mean? And I be waiting there. And then so mama, that is and so your more come out now. Be like say you get and waiting Osaweniga Zowegi just talk for the past, and I don't know, maybe yesterday or so. So people don't come out for her. Other presenters don't still come out for her. We know, mention their names here. Maybe I'll bring those videos later on. But this now Ijomo na the waiting Yomo Conte and South winning as well. So my people make that one not rich now. Make we just join Yomo. Make we hear she really wanted. In fact, she disgwagwa. She really wanted disgwagwa sounding as well again. I don't want to do that. So my people have to ask for the join and me. Baba God continue to the bless una with una family. Una hear me na dwele. Na bye bye.
Ene fiete. Odame no ekun. Owa kaka bodame. Why? Ihe no man set on my we setting musota. Ekun no mwenya ho. Ekun na we no we na bo mu ni e he na ye ga mu ya mu esota. Ekuni. What's another do behave like a Peter? A Peter not deny Jesus. Those are not to behave like that. Huh? Odamen we. You know go that dog here. We me even we ya go that dog here with the different platform. Yeah, one make a video no concerning you. Do worry egwe la dia ta. Organic way. Ewe ni no ye organic way ni when ye boy mo enu. Organic way no wa mo la dia. Yeah, go that dog here. Let me laugh in Paraguay. That is how Paraguay people laugh. Any fiete. Umiamiani here fefefene. Umiamiani. You ya go that dog here. Why be the Murphy convey now? Why the Murphy or Murphy no or man go one day? Or Murphy bono or Murphy say kenuje one day. It's just because of injury. Oh, boy, name clash. Anybody who boy here effect by me clash with live video now is because of injury. Yama go. No really go. Wait who can lay less for me? Who can lay less for me? Nobody. Ogun pass things do your parent no can see zone wa. Ogun pass it la we po. That was your comment. If you know what I have again here. My setting is the less ke nothing here. Ah. We are setting is the less nana. In no way. The man is setting is the less. So I want you to come out and tell the whole world the reason una hikie with the bona backslides. Because everyone where you jana. Run di jore ya fefefe. E yare ma. There was one video in one time. Una we I fear who no fear this woman. You were the one that make that comment. Ina be ladien. We do answer. You understand? Mama no we video na we have any jore me. I never know her trick. O what me nika this and then we o no ladien. We don't know why we ladien. We have we nika o now we know this and that. In a way it's good. Okay, people no na when you hear fair your boy buy. Huh? Bible na be no when and that dog muna. If somebody some group of people omo ladien. And I me go here believe in na. Mary gay. Again, me always was a 1 week. Mary gay, Johnny just gay Jesus Christ. He evangelist, prophetessy. He? Whoa. When I test the spirit of maybe my baby, your partner prophesies not come to pass. You might be begging Johnny just gave a Bible. Now we jame agabagebe na yo. Now we never. You marry a boy, okay. Jews are no a queenie because my beg of wiggy. I can never call you that name because my beg of wiggy. You say, oh, I know the wiggy, we muja. Deba no so table. Oh, na who na your work below, na who na your book who here, but deba no so wiggy, no sawe no so wiggy, we bring video and so well. In my beg of wiggy, you say, you understand? If I'm accusing you for a reason. What? Una make that comment that time. It was there where I fear who no fear you or this woman. I go, my people, this is the reason why. In a way, my born Albanian. I'm not after that name. You understand? He said it when nini because my go we get uze. O wane na pe makuwebo. Na nebo ho ko gote bona. When na we ask we sufu una oza una ya gbem. Una yo boss sudu was we sufu me paro no hia. No hia is separate when your paro no hia season wa. O me no really you are going to carry her to the end, follow her to the end. Well, we don't win, so we get the waking. That's why we hang where do like them. When your boy but we to hear lele. A picture Danny yesterday, no muja when Kaka boy, when you talk. Me when the time I work, Kaka boy, I'm a picture on what stamp a year, wake a ganka. Stamp a year well. One more year where. Oh, here, deaf, why are they super glue? We are wedding, we ma, when it's Anna. Are they super glue? We are way. Because of one way. One women, and one women, you remember, tell me, my we are setting when you do you talk. Oh, where you can where, and when we know my conway, area by anywhere, and this and that, about where you're ready by anywhere. So, if you not say something, where we not say no, bus slice, so you have to come and explain where we not see you. If you not see no, not a when you nahi. If you not even say no, we do see every mudotona. Every so that are the boy, I take care of that. Here, take care. You have to carry on. Cause a board and any other Nigeria will tell Donny, no judge me well at the new guy. Who said this year with the baby? Why? So when I do explain it, I go here for tag money here doing anyway. Just so this is the reason. Me and I have where no no how okay that guy consider why okay the when you worry. Won't that what how am buza na why mu aka no win na area bege ma runda magi mu buzani. Do take a what mu ebobo magi mu ebobo. What is west for me? My setting is west for me. The reason una who setting is west for me. Una tag mo here fena hone. I be so bo. But when man tell we work get power because when a way of where when the when we live where any live. Also that type of way ni living. Just explain fully to the whole world. Let everybody know the way you are living, and that way is not that way they are living. Also, when I put it when let everybody know that way. You understand? Again, with what to be where he be your knee or my buy a young buy anyway. Maho a buy anyway. Where I see a book where he may hear the way. In no way, I yakun roguname. I am a bedaya. Mammy, the better, Amy Hayak Buway. We are refusing to get there. You must stay with her to the end when you cut in, unless you come out and explain to the world the type of way you are living, and it's not that type of way those people there are living. No, not worry. You understand? Even way now, they know you where do you realize now where you feed you where we feed in. If you know you where to realize, you have to explain that part to the whole world. I just have short message for you. When I do explain it, the whole world will now know. We want to know. Okay, we now live. We now live. Okay, every by any. I see no reason no hanya around dying, no hanya control. Or no, so they have to. Around that way, oh by go back there that do dear. When we hear the we have to know the reason we hear not the so that other people coming, we now know the same thing. You understand? Other people, where queen in me no not with the so they would not like to experience that type of thing. No make na saving money came that type of situation we can't get it. Or ya met samawe. I want me to you understand? So you have to explain so that others will be free. You understand me now? So why I call Ladian do free money you since you were free Ladian. So you Ladian do explain. But man explain. If you better ya go we yet better was say that you must be with you to the end. You must be with you to the end. You will see what I see. You understand me? kakabo wa ke you unless you come out and make video the time we get way well away not live away ni an live we na we ni an live we na you man like or say na ho ni ladian bore or say ni na ladian bore you understand so wa kakabo ya o enu compile a message na nu compile mi hu adota nu get mi na ni ga mi na gbon abe reason with you na we okay you are free to go. You cannot just go like that. We can do your boy gbegwe ya pekun ewo bagbe uvinya doju wuvuni ne then we will be asan for worry. Never, it can never be done, queen. It can never be done unless you explain the reason why you are separating from salt and water ministry. If you don't explain it to the whole world, you are never free. You are going to stay with her till the end. Ebony ni arere tie ne bote do no agaibo wo hia ha wuma via boju guvuni. You convince people to enter there and work back here setting waladian worry. You have to come out and explain the reason. Just come out, make a video or audio. The reason of what very simple. Just explain yourself and then you are free. You understand? Because now we want people to be free from bondage. You can see now, TB Joshua, women, some people are happy while some people are crying. Many people, 10% of here, 90% are happy because they are free from the bondage. Many, even the driver, they were made the confession that the driver make a minute concerning TB Joshua. You can hear the confession Bisola make. Even the one on when you Godson, okay, were made all their confession. Many of them, they are happy because they are free. Now we want to free people. Anybody that is on that spell, we want them to be free. God, osalo bua enika ohyan free that dog no bondage. In time past, I was in darkness. I was when I was listening to their comments. I mean their voice. When you are on that TB Joshua, when they were captured by his spell, I was once like that. In time past, I was once like that. I was once a miracle seeker. He can't attend the church any. There was a church of Paronia, the Canopy of God. Every Wednesday, Material Church in the Canopy Church, now they now call it Canopy of God. As we are saying here of Testament Road, he access with a church in Gaji. He go like the no church in moto. Yeah, we pay for your transport for go and come. Ni meja avia with church in that time. So I was once a miracle seeker because that time I was blind. I don't have any knowledge about any religion that time. So mega hoko dega riba. Beni jeba se mami miracle bo. Ena eko hegwere. Ege na omegi jarhaina do hegwe we baby na wa o. There is nothing there. Eni ame e Jordan re o. Eni ame Florida water. Eni ame uma Sameke River Jordan re o. Aya tulemu. Ya Zeken. There was one of my sister, my own sister. We may read the same city in Mejebi Mana. My boy got ya to Lemuja. Ona a video, nona me video no guy. Ona my boy got to Lemujo ya Zeka. Zeka the canopy of God. There mammy miracle one day. There was one day we not surprising. Iya ya fefe or why you buckle do a pastor and a prophet is it Ogbemudia Abdul that time I forgotten his name. Or why you buckle do here why ya harako yana wa de lobona de na no kemo pa bo de keniga aje. Ina me afemane ga feme here de le imade. What's mo me gi gba oye ke me ya ko run pa de bi ke budo. Orun pa mu di abudo. Ope pa be mu di abudo ni ma be de. Already see one because that man was see one. Or is a way between no bonopa mudu and here be pegby. So again in near ya the lady me mana did not we have. What is soon? Okay, now we didn't get bomb or young is silo maladia. My young is yoke behind me bammy. You understand? So they got again. I was blind that time. So when that time, when in time past, I was in darkness. Only word of God brought me to light. The word of God, nikaka boy jaje mo salobo ani gele jaji because yan we ho ijaji e ho me ya go salobo church pastor home I believe I have the fear of God. Although I'm not going to church, church now, but I believe in God. I have the fear of God in my heart. So only the word of God brought me to light. That is the reason why I know that many pastors are fake. You understand? So when it's time and well, a queen, Ladian, don't explain to the whole world. And we not see another separate from salt and water ministry. Because you are one of the founder. No ga you be vac back where we that there. Pitchy Johnny yesterday. We handle the pitchy Johnny yesterday. Where do you talk? And where stand a flag in the way they must have to hold it. Even we get the civil lab, we give you any here. We are Queen. Queen, you are going nowhere unless you explain. You come out and explain to the whole world. We have any time. We have any time. Benu mala radia ha wuwu opa wuwu yan hin o wa we ga boni hin wa be agun wo gun yan be riye bo. You understand? Ugun yan wa be aga bo. Cause uga do man come and not relax yan agujo re gun gun bo si they no say nu hen na to na take be me be ri oni no pa o so agun yan hon. We make yan be na we live video. It's because of Ijore. We him we yani here fe here later na wumujoto wu and those people and dan we time ya we gani oyeri yan ho. So we la dian to clean everything la dian no do time agbon we no see e no na wo we ri opa. Ngame ni tana. De no mana we ri oni iri agbeda ya agbuwa eva kugbe. Together you must live as one. Queen Annie Jore, together you must live as one. Together you must live as one. No turning back. Together you must live as one. No backsliding. Together Queen Annie Jore must live as one. Together you must live as one. Uke tomam do munyo uka kaboga ene. Look before you leaped. Awu we vana wa bege we no wa asu na bore re ni wa tie ni Jore ni we na we wa gwetamu na gwetemu e ba we kan do level we kaka bon ne e rabi ju edu je me rabi je o wu mo ten no di wa ne ya e ma na ti gbe bon be ri ani na bebo o ru opa do lati we yehia igwe wo se yehia mu enya hu yehia mu enya hu I want to talk with a bonny and never visual now, do Gumera Majin now about 20 they being very on in where Moody as you beg any dog a lima. I went in no way. A boom even when you beg any dog a lima. Came and all that and women a jury wuna get ma well walking no. I'll be a picture Johnny yes again walk me ya have may have a way here we can't feel a qua. Never you cannot just denounce Jury like this. Continue, my dear. You must have to continue. Continue. We have an eternal. Continue. Continue with her. Together, you people will live as one. Go better with me. Okpano kanya wesi ki wuri. Me wa aga ikedere adina we mobije. Agwanje me emiya. Amobije ya agwanje me ya. Agwanje me ya. Nya doloba. Me ga ya wa kan setting ge. Oh, when we give it dollar, no problem. Man, no camera. Oh, when we give it dollar, no that but you attend because when if you Korean, that is one thing I like about you Korean. If you Korean, in with something like tribalism. Oh man, what I never be your Korean here. Oh, you're working your 10 babana or 10 years will get working. Oh, you go. What I think, on one will be Oloten do bia wo no kin owo bia oloten yen kin iyo bia oloten yen we obi wo mede yen kin no pa wo bia mi iye ha ni be ni wa ya keke ni wa je yan re negbe o yen wa ki o te baba na obi ra bi je yan gwa hun ibi yokoro mi yan je be secret court That is what I like about them. If you can va a hanaga rebel, or you man no me with millions of them or whatever. The way ni aja obi okorion wo obi okorion e otemo teme be ni aja ti otemo teme egbe wowe ibi yokofia na mi egbe do bia bono so bi yokofia kede kelu bi yokofia do ado tani egbe okay ka we ado o wa fo no wa pa ba re de egbe gi no won obi yokogba ka mi egbe wo do bia obi ko ten obi tagman ye kin okay ka Maybe ya je with the okay. Oh ya ogiai o pawari. Obi ekosolu ga mi obi ekosolu. Obi ekosolu we yan obi gboge bo yan ki na pa wo bi o sasin ba last ka check up yen. Okay. Obi o sasin na pa obi gboge bo. Okay, ami egbe ka later na eri ogba se. Obi hu de ga mi yan na me gbe obi hu de obi ga kan okay obi gedu ma ye ke obi gedu ma kojo ka omana bet obi yokori omo o lele we se ke no ri se no ibi yokori omo nya lele we se ona wa ho obi yokori omo no o wa we na agwali mi na ho ona e ke ni mi na yo gugwe gwali mi na no ibi okori omoje bi okori mi yan like egbiyan iwu webu self dey yan discriminate yan select egbiyan lati webu ni yan je be secret court bi okori omoje yan gbo obi go na yan ga obi egbe guy ore ne gbe kere o ma wa were egbe fun o were ne gbe so gwa na hi oten gwa do mi egbe eru waje so o ma keke ni anu wedu ka we separating him body ye come why to ba mu gbe owa aro be nu wakaro e pa wore o e bo ni ati ne nu aga bo wa ri kere bo fu afin no ri ya bukmo mo gwa we ya bukmo don't esi aberi oni uti afa no nu teri ya bukmo wo keke nu teri ya wa ye fin uti a hegbere bo se aye uke se aye ute dirizinu ya na hegbere bo o so only when it's time well when you want time well so you have to come out to any me with video me say kaka bokpe bo wa so ti wa la denu do ta me agbon gbege o denu go je o ni mi ya ide okay ogenu we wa hegbere very only o good day by is it by for so is strong e comment get kan ya e comment jo we na agui Iri egbede ya gbogbo ivakugbe you must live as one. E comment ke kan wa comment no we na ka gui. We are comment something about jori jo we na we na agui. O sati gui we ma mi ana we ga we ga ni. Una atinele that the platform that do ya we ma mi ana. Wa be di mo fi gui be na mu di jori no. O me zo ni wa boy gba bi ye boy gui e mu di jori no. Attention. Wa hegbere bo. Wa utati hegbere bo. What cause that in Hana hegbe? What do have with baba for what? Awe ma ya fe nu we gite bona. Awe ma ya fe nu we gite bona vege ni. Ngwe gi sort vege ni. Ngwe gi ka we bo se ni na gbujoro gwa be ni na no po. Why we ni aka he? Yeah, I get video no work away. Oh man, yeah, life. Well, yeah, but that dog, anybody can do whatever he or she like. But again, when I quit that dog, can be different live video again. What's the name of the go video? Tu tiene que seguir sin pagar. Tiene que seguir con llore sin pagar. Tú no tienes tiempo para parar. Sigue con ella. Sin parar. Do have Spanish. Sin parar. Queen, sin parar. Sigue con llore. Tiene que continuar. Sin parar. Sin parar. Continuar. Sigue. Tamawe. Well, maku. What mwewo? Ezikele ezanu ja mwewo ma mu seta ma megbe ni di ozanu nuka po kaka boya gba ginegbe. No aga bo hian. Okay, blessing ari ni joro we ga be blessing e boni abeti no we aga bo ari ya bokun wari elele hian. E manu we gi insult be ge ni ya fefefe nu we gi we ya fefe why we ni agi we. O se meje gbeke ran no gwe hun. Ko se be nu waje ran no gwe hun e wa hun. Ono ye gbeku wa wi ye gbeke iran no ma agwa ya kan ye gbeke iran no dekpe mami emi ati apa ni masonia eni me ye gbeko abe o beche no mami.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.